welcome to all of you from everyone at Embassy. I'd like to wish you and all your families a very happy Diwali and a very happy New Year and prosperous New Year to come forward. As part of our Embassy team, most of our senior managers are here. We just want to assure you that we also ultimately want to make Embassy Pristine one of the most finest developments we built in the outskirts. And trust me, we will just make sure that everybody's apartment is done to their satisfaction ultimately and handed over with the highest quality which we can give you. I wanted to thank also Mr. Venkat Reddy and his family and Vilas Reddy and his family for the trust they imposed on us so many years back. He just walked into our office and I think in a span of 30 minutes decided to give us his land to develop it.
We created a base and put this land in the hands of Mr. Jitu Virvani a few years back. And he has transformed this and created such a nice facility, a wonderful structure for enjoyment of all of us.
It's time now for me to hand over the stage to a very talented bunch of dancers. So let's get some entertainment in action. So ladies and gentlemen, could we give a huge thunderous round of applause for the Tarantismo Creative Dance Company?
Why is Embassy Pristine such a special project in Embassy's residential portfolio? Our vision in 2010 when we conceived this project was to bring something to the mainstream, an understated, responsible, green luxury project, residences which would set the trend for the future. This project has seen a steady capital appreciation of close to 45 to 50% in the last years and could potentially go to anywhere between 75 to 90% in the coming years. I believe that Embassy Pristine will be a hallmark project in this side of town, in the east side of Bangalore, with its superior amenities, service collaborations, apartment formats, the location advantage, as you all know, as well as the beautiful views that all of you will vouch for. Embassy Pristine is also Embassy's first IGBC Gold certified green building, with several measures being undertaken to ensure that we reduce our carbon footprint in this world, and your investment is a personal commitment as an individual and a community to make a difference. Last but never the least, it's you, the homeowners, who hail from some of the finest companies in the world, such as Microsoft, IBM, Goldman Sachs, Deloitte, Thomson Reuters, Wipro, Flipkart, Infosys, Cognizant, SAP, Standard Chartered. This is just to name a few. We believe that we have put together a vibrant community of like-minded individuals, a community that people will long to be a part of. It will be a case of neighbors' envy and owners' pride.
All right, so let's do the lucky draw. We have a HomeStop gift voucher worth 10,000 that's going to be given out. We have a JBL speaker system that's going to be given out. We have the Good Earth gift voucher that's going to be given out, and the big one, which is a holiday voucher worth 50,000.
रात दी गल सुनियो सुनियो वे रात दी गल सुनियो सुनियो वे कोई ना चार छुफेरे पीछे ना मुड़ियो मुड़ियो वे पीछे ना मुड़ियो मुड़ियो वे राता दे काले काले चेहरे डर डाडा डसे वे और मंजिल हंसे वे
चल छैया 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 चल छैया 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 चल छैया 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 चल छैया 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 चल छैया 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 चल छैया 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 सारी इश्क की जान चल छैया छैया सारी इश्क की जान चल छैया पाँव जन्नत चले चल छैया छैया पाँव जन्नत चले चल छैया
I had booked Embassy Pristine in 2011. Since then, it's been a long wait, but I think at the end of the day, it was worth the wait.
The most important thing is Mr. Jeetu's personal involvement, which is, I think, a very big plus point and enforces a lot of confidence in people like us who have invested our life saving in a project like Pristine.
The project has come out really well, very beautiful. Aesthetically, it looks wonderful. The crowd here looks great.
It's really my dream home and it's my first property. I really love it.